Texas, eastern Collin County in north central Texas, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 10:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Lowry Crossing to near Farmersville to near Campbell. At 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Allen, Wiley, Greenville, Commerce, Fairview, Princeton, Lucas, Farmersville, Lowry Crossing, Wolf City, Caddo Mills, Celeste, Campbell, Blue Ridge, Nevada, Josephine, New Hope, Naylandville, and Westminster. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 88 and 108. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.